Hey, welcome into Mystic Gear. We've got a 2017
that farts
4Runner, and we're going to swap out the stock headlights for these sweet LED projection hyperspace time travel pieces.
Face them correctly so the people can see. That's not correctly, it's upside down.
I asked you to help me, Joe.
I'm holding the camera.
This way.
There you go, see?
Okay. Well, I just got here. So, we're going to read the instructions. And the brand is
AREX USA.
Yeah, because the logo, you can't tell what it is. So, let's see how easy these are. Let's go. And we've got a Tiger bull bar. So I think when you put this on, there's a Tiger King guy or somebody shows up, and I think when we take it out of the box, he'll show up and help install it. Kind of hoping.
Yes. It also has Tiger rock sliders and a Tiger basket thingy and a Tiger print in the back that they don't know about yet.
That's this Tiger basket thingy?
Yeah. That's the technical term for it. Look it up.
Is that what was on when you ordered it?
Yes. It was called Tiger basket thingy.
I'm glad this channel can be informative.
What, Paul? What do I have?
Nothing. So, first we got to start with all these little Toyota clips. These, since this thing's so new, have been pretty fingernailable. Keep it above the board there, Joe.
I just laughed. That's all I did.
So, how many of these are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this has to come out first. This is the radiator support cover. I don't know if that's what it is, but that's what I'm calling it.
And we missed one.
We?
It was French for yes.
You missed one.
No, they're popped. They're just not off yet because I'm trying not to lose stuff.
But you just dropped one.
No, I've dropped my screwdriver.
This isn't gonna work out.
All right, goodbye, everybody.
I'm just gonna put the clips in this. I'm hoping we don't have to pull the bumper off. So.
Bolt. I'm guessing we do, cause yeah.
Think so?
Yep. Let's go gadget lady fingers.
Anything on the bottom? Let's try the easy way first.
Okay.
And then see what happens.
I don't feel anything on this side, but
I'm thinking we start on the top and see if we can get it out. Okay. So, bumper coming off or not?
I don't know yet. We took the 2 bolts and the clip out of here, but there's a bolt down here which y'all can't see because now we have about 50 gallons of tape. I said gallons of tape. But the grill comes off with some clips, so we're gonna pop the grill and see if we can undo that bolt and hopefully not have any bolts over here.
Okay.
Hopefully. Whatever it is.
All right, so the bumper's got to come off. We've got 3 10s on each side.
I'm gonna start in the middle because that's what we do.
Yeah. You got something to put the bolts in?
Nope.
All right.
I got your pockets.
That's where things go home and never come back.
It's not my car.
An MC. Whose car is this? We forgot to say. This is Alex, our co-worker.
Our co-worker / my boss, Alex. Actually, this is, yeah.
We've only got about 42 minutes left to finish this by the end of lunch, so
You got to
you're gonna have to pick it up a little bit. If we both worked on it at the same time, it'd be faster. But then who's gonna film?
Well, and I think this one
Don't.
is good and stripped because it's not moving. I mean, it's moving, but it's not backing out.
Okay, trade me. Okay, it's not that Joe accidentally hit the switch and started tightening it.
It's not. It can't be that.
It just was stripped and you had to work harder to get it off. Okay.
Too late.
Too late. Okay. How many under here? Probably
1,
4.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7.
This little guy clear. It's a weird kind of sandwich clip. I could see really well before there was a camera. It's just got to go up and around, up and over.
Titter.
Nothing's broken. Amazing.
Just my feelings.
Up and over. Not a snow shovel tape to the ladder. Unplug your fog light.
Oh, okay, how am I gonna do that with one hand holding your camera
I think
and...
you can just shove the fog in. Here, just hold them up.
This is why we make such a good team, everybody. Because we genuinely hate each other. I mean, think of all the other great teams that hated each other. The Eagles. The Packers.
Does that make me Joe Walsh?
Yes.
Can I be Joe Walsh?
Andy Richter and Conan O'Brien.
Now we're gonna get
Yes.
a call from Conan.
We can be on a show for his last retirement show. Where he just makes us cry for an hour. So the bumper is off. We got all manner of dust.
Looks better now.
There's a bracket down here. I'm not seeing. Oh yeah, my niece just popped. That felt good.
If we didn't have to take it off, I'm gonna punch you.
All right.
Throat.
Well, I think we did because this bracket needs to come off. I just don't know how this.
That one. This one's behind the bumper.
Yeah.
All right, so.
So
Got
pause for
those
now.
top ones out, so this should just come up, and then that should go up when it slides in.
Yeah, but you got this tab right here holding it in. And I'm not seeing.
Oh, like the Subaru, you probably have to take these off.
I think so.
So that was holding this up. There was a bolt through the center. What's holding this top now? Car.
So defensive.
You are.
Uh-oh. Spam risk.
I hate that guy.
Uh-oh. But he's from Boca Raton. Maybe he has a timeshare we can buy.
I think it's about my vehicle warranty.
Could be. Could also be about my vehicle warranty.
We're not dating.
Yet. We don't take kindly to instructions.
Forgot my knife again. We don't let you have knives, Paul.
Yeah. What happens when Paul has knives? He has to get a blood. He has to get a UA.
You cut yourself like 6 or 7 times and you like get a reputation. Does that bag have all the wiring in it? So we did find out the website has all the installation videos and everything you need. So the daytime running lights will hook to, what was it? INJ.
And that's a 10 volt or a 10.
10 amp fuse. Okay. That was for the daytime running lights, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then now you're just hooking up and ground.
We tied the ground over here into the ground spot that was in the firewall or inner fender.
Oh, fancy.
So it's right here. It's the third one down.
That's where the daytime, and it just plugs right in.
Yep.
Sweet. Easy peasy. Okay. And that's your daytime running light
Yeah.
plug?
So I'm just putting it in to see once Alex turns the key if it'll turn on.
What did that plug into? Is that just...
It's just a single pin all by itself on the back of this light.
Really?
Yep. You might have to turn key start.
Negative. Oh, turn the lights on. Yeah, that'll help. You got a blinker. It's your fault.
It is my fault. Let's plug in all the other wiring real quick.
Yeah, maybe it's got to
see if that makes a
connect.
difference.
There we go. So you.
There you go.
Whoa, that's sick.
Headlight.
There we go.
And high beam. Yep.
Nice. So you have to have everything plugged in.
Ooh,
That's not annoying at all.
that's brighter than your headlight.
Yeah. You're gonna forget to turn your headlights on a lot.
You have to take off the lower bracket. It ties the bumper into the headlight and put it on a new headlight. That's what we're doing now. Actually,
Joe's filming.
I'm filming. I'm video cameraing, documentarying things.
Uh-oh.
Chrysanthemum.
Out of country.
I give up. No, I want to know where all this stuff came from because I didn't take any of it apart.
Well, each plug is shaped a little different. Hey. How were you at the thing where you put the square block through the square hole?
Not great. Okay.
Round block, round hole.
This is what I was looking for. You went, yeah. See, look, different colors, different shape, and it fit. That's all that matters.
Just push really hard.
That's it. That's true.
Make sure you pull the protective coating off of the corner. I mean, right after you pull it, just scratch it.
Of course. Hey, you started pulling it before I was ready. So.
Oh, so many things.
Would your mom quit driving by and honking like that?
Why is it gonna be my mom? There we go.
You know why it's your mom. Okay.
I'm gonna show her this video.
Do you remember what screws go back where?
No, because this is still trapped. Just give me a minute. You calm down.
Alex almost has this side put back together.
Because he also started before me, and I helped him.
Just one of these videos would be fun if the FBI showed up because of facial recognition pulled up your mugshot.
Well.
Let me get a real square there. Now it'll show really well.
Make sure you get a good silhouette of Joe and we'll see if anybody can match it.
I gotta do the balance check though.
You want to go back and look at the video?
No, because we didn't videotape this.
There'll just be a jump cut to it being screwed in. Wow, that's
pretty good.
Pretty close.
Just didn't come down a little bit. Because you got the left side for the driver is right at the mark. So I didn't need it to be at.
Yeah, and I don't know too many cops who carry tape measure are going to pull you over and have you back up 25 feet.
Yeah.
Well, in that
You're at 42 inches.
this one was at the where the top of the light was before.
Right.
So you're probably better off now than you were as far as blinding people in a Prius. These are the two bolts you have to remove to get your brush guard on. That one, 1, 2, 3. 1,
No.
2, 3.
1.
We haven't put the bottom bolts in the bumper yet, just in case it needs to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so the brackets molt. They molt. It's a bird. They bolt where the bumper reinforcement bolts on. So these 3 bolts come out and the bracket goes on right there. Language.
It's something they no longer teach in school.
This is really hard to. I can't see what's going on, so I don't know what I'm recording right now.
Stop until we
Final adjust it.
So we're gonna final adjust, but we can't record because you can't see. So goodbye, please.
You done?
Yep,
That one doesn't look tight at all.
it's tight.
What's funny is last time I sold water with this camera.
And ta-da! All done. Bull bar on, headlights in. These turn signals look so cool. So many shades of Knight Rider going on in these. Really neat how they go from white to this amber and they move out to the sides. It's so cool and they fit so well. You've got to have air tools to get this bull bar on. There's no access to get a ratchet up in there. It was very time consuming.
Did the taillights too. I was late. I missed that part. That lasted about 5 minutes. Those look really cool. Alex, are they the same brand on the taillights?
No.
But Apex Works will be having some taillights coming out soon for them.
What are you advertising for them now?
Yes. No, Danielle told me.
Ah.
Waiting for them to come out and do hers.
So Alex, how much were the taillights?
I think the taillights. Were $249.
Can you hit the brakes?
Yeah.
Nice. So $249 on the brake lights, and then headlights were
$489 is the change.
$489. There was no wire splicing or nothing. That was pretty slick. Nice. So there we go. That was more than an hour, I gotta be honest. We fought these brackets like crazy just because our hands wouldn't fit up in there very well. Definitely air tools. Air tools, Alex?
Yes.
Air tools, definitely, if you're gonna put one of these Tiger brush guards on. But other than that, I mean, it was pretty straightforward. There's no drilling or anything. Wasn't that bad. Headlights, no wiring at all. It was plug in that one wire for the daytime running lights into the, was it injector, ING?
Yeah, INJ.
INJ. That's what I meant.
And then,
Correct me on camera.
and then a power and a negative wire, and then the rest was done.
And they fit killer. The lines are really good. For under $400, you can't beat them, and they look really cool, and the sequential's awesome. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye, please.
Goodbye, please.